What if you could own a business built around recurring revenue and one of the most stable assets in the world? Real estate? Property Management Inc. is a full-service property management and real estate franchise managing residential, commercial, association, and vacation rental property. As rental demand continues to grow, property owners need reliable management, creating consistent monthly recurring revenue across multiple service lines. Founded in 2008 and franchising since 2009, Property Management Inc. supports more than 400 franchise locations, managing billions in assets with proven systems, training, and technology. Franchise owners can generate income through property management fees, leasing services, brokerage, and additional real estate services across multiple pillars of revenue. This is a home-based model with structured onboarding, ongoing coaching, and technology designed to help owners build and scale a portfolio-driven business. The initial total investment starts at $77,239. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Property Management Inc. to your top picks and request the info pack now.